हाय एवरीवन, मैं हूँ श्वेता।
मेरा नाम है इंद्र और आप सबको स्वागत है हमारे
चैनल में।
सो अभी हम वीडियो देखने वाले ट्रेडिशनल हुंजा वेडिंग नॉर्थन पाकिस्तान का वीडियो है। ऑफ कोर्स आइए देखते हैं।
You are welcome to witness a traditional Pakistani wedding in one of the most picturesque locations on planet Earth,
Wow.
northern Pakistan. We will travel from Gilgit to Hunza to capture the sacred event of tying the knot of Ahtisham and Sonia. Stay tuned to find out why is the bride crying on her own wedding, how to learn traditional Hunza dancing, what is the meaning of women kissing each other on the hand.
Walima and Mehndi.
Good morning from Gilgit, the city in the heart of Baltistan. All the nieces, cousins and neighborhood kids are getting ready to celebrate day one of the wedding.
I need it now. I'm very happy because there is a wedding after a lot of time in our house.
Anticipation is building in the air.
Oh.
Ahtisham 32 is a lawyer based in Islamabad, originating from northern Pakistan.
My favorite moment is welcome and dancing.
Dancing.
Me.
Oh.
I mostly like dancing.
In Hunza culture, the practice of women kissing each other's hands is passed down from generation to generation. This gesture is a manifestation of respect and sisterhood among women in the region. As the sun falls down, it's time to get ready for Mehndi.
Okay.
A gorgeous woman from Gilgit saw that I didn't have a special outfit for Mehndi, and she offered me a blue dress, which is so nice and generous.
Nice.
I should try it right now.
Nice.
Thank you so much. This is really lovely. Thank you. Mehndi ceremony is about celebrating a groom and bride getting married. The bride, Sonia, is going to be welcomed to Ahtisham's family soon.
क्या मस्त है ना जश्न मनाना मेहंदी।
Hunza dancing is a unique blend of footwork and hand movements that often incorporates traditional music and instruments. The dances are traditional attire that adds to the visual richness of the performance. Whether it's an older lady or an older man, the tradition is to circle around them and help participate in dancing celebration. I decided to join for dance as well. Coming up, let's find out who is the bride.
Okay.
What is the secret of Hunza headcap?
मस्त है यार।
Why is Sonia crying in her own wedding? And what does leaving a home mean for a Pakistani woman?
Day 2 Nikah and Bharat.
The elders of the family are giving their blessings to Ahtisham. His clothes are being put together, including overcoat, cap, and a sword. A sword, given by a father of the groom, is a symbol of Ahtisham not only being the king of the day, but also being ready to conquer any of life's difficulties. I was so honored to be invited to give blessings to Ahtisham. Tamal is made out of tree branches found on top of the mountain. Locals burn it with the belief that it protects them from evil forces and invites the good
मलाई है
spirits
शायद
into
से।
the home. If you get a pinch of flour put on the tip of your shoulder, it means you're welcome to join Groom's family to come into the bride's house.
Wow. Just for a blessing from the groom's mother.
Nice.
Groom's dance with a sword is the last dance before he's leaving his home and about to see his future wife. Sonia
ये कैप से पैसे लगे लगे हाँ
is hugely endorsed by the bride. Time to get moving to finally see the bride at her home. We are making our way through the mountains into 2,500 meters of altitude, the picturesque Hunza region.
यार ये तो देने का मतलब है शादी अटेंड करने में
I spent harvesting apricots and being overall amazing human beings. They say Hunza is a special place. I wasn't allowed to join for Nikah, Islamic ceremony of tying the knots, but we could see Sonia exiting with a group of women. Oh, what is she wearing? The Hunza special cap, or barzan in a local language, is passed generation to generation from mother to daughter to wear during the Nikah ceremony.
सब बच्चे रेडी है फुल।
Time to cut the ribbon and welcome our newlyweds into Sonia's home. Sonia met Akhtishan during one of the sports events, and now they commit to each other for the rest of their lives in this magical ceremony.
again dance
Roxari is a tradition in Pakistan where a bride leaves her family home forever to be with her husband. Women all over Pakistan get very emotional and often shed tears about leaving their family.
Her parents have raised her up till this age. They have given her lots of, loves, and they've also provided her with opportunities, with education. They have, brought her up basically with whatever she, whatever amenities of life that she would have needed. They have given her, and she is grateful for that, and she is emotional about it because it's her family that she's going to leave, and she's going to live with her partner, with a new family she's going to enter, and she'd have to adjust. She'd have to adjust to new norms and new attitudes.
It was a pleasure to share vibrant traditions of northern Pakistan with you. Sonia would soon be welcomed into Akhtishan's home and a warm reception with guests, decorations, and her new family is waiting for her. I wish the new couple a wonderful start to a life together. Hi, I'm Yelena Minska, and if you like my Pakistan videos, please like, comment, share, and follow for more. Coming up, I kept this episode in secret, but we are finally visiting Peshawar on an important mission. There are 3.8 million street kids in Pakistan who don't get access to education and have to work to support their families since a very young age, some starting as young as 5 years old. This episode would be about finding what their dream is and trying our absolute best to make it come true. To see how we go, tune in for next episode on Thursday next week, 5 p.m. Pakistan time.
अच्छा था यार मतलब क्यूट लगा मेरे को
एक्चुअली मजा आया
बहुत
वेडिंग
cute
मस्त
लगा
हुंजा
शादी।
वैली एकदम होता है ना पूरी पहाड़ी इलाका एकदम और की जो ट्रेडिशनल कल्चरल वेडिंग है
वो डांस
मस्त
वांस
एकदम
एंड ऑल
वो
बहुत
कल्चर
अच्छा
देखने को तो
लगा।
कल्चर देखने में मजा आता है दुनिया के हर एक जगह का ना कल्चर देखने में जो
Culture।
मजा है ना तो वो बहुत सही लगता है ऑफ कोर्स।
और वो इतना मस्त लग रहा था, इतना सिंपल सोबर, लाइक बोलते ना घर में कोई ऐसा बोलते ना कुछ
Yes,
बाहर ऐसा
yes.
करो मत एंड ऑल,
देखो,
घर से ही घर से
गांव में
सब
वही
कुछ।
चीज, तुम्हारे आसपास इतनी जगहें होती है ना कि तुम वहीं पे सब फंक्शंस कर
वहीं
सकते
पे
हो।
कर सकते हो।
पर मस्त था एकदम बहुत।
मेहंदी
और
and all।
स्पेशली उसको जो ग्रूम ने, ब्राइड ने जो पहना था ना टोपी वाला ड्रेस, वो मस्त था
वो
वो।
भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा
But
था
it was
यार।
very
It was
nice,
very
मजा आया
good,
देख
very
के।
nice। ठीक है, we will watch more and more videos guys, so meanwhile take care,
Bye bye.